Okay, so this is the Walgreens exclusive Dino Thunder White Lightning Collection. Very nice. That's how that looks. Okay, so now let's open it up and take a look at it. Okay, here is the figure out of the box. See? Aside from the helmet and the morpher, it's extremely well detailed. Flexible. I haven't had right out of the box. No tight joints, no loose joints either. Accessory wise, it comes with this hand, which I think is a new one, a new hand option, because I don't recall having a hand sculpt like this one. And then there's this one. Which I don't know what this would be for, because the blade accessory fits in both hands perfectly. Which then brings to this accessory, which is nice, and it's just slides right into here, like so. And as you can see, it's nicely translucent. Nice color. Blade fits in perfectly inside in the holster. The next accessory is Trent's head. Which is sculpted very nicely. And just pops on. And quick fact, that can happen. You can take the shield off if you want. And now that's how Trent's head looks. On the body, and that's a very nice effect. And you can see if the belt is out of alignment, you can always just slide it a bit. Just give it a little push on the rod, and now it's lined up perfectly. So now, before I do any comparisons, I'm going to fix the flaws. Okay, so here's the head. I'm going to need to use a small tip brush, and I'm going to be using this gunmetal black paint, Model Master. You gotta shake this real good. In case I get any drippage, I want to have something there to protect it. I just want to start with a dab on the end of the brush. And sometimes you might want to make sure your the bristles on the brush stay smooth. Otherwise you get blotches like that. And if you do get blotches, you're gonna want to get them off as quick as possible. See what happens when you get too much paint on there at once. I gotta see, now you gotta start over and make sure your brush is right. Looking good from that side. So as you can see, it's looking good, but you probably will want to do too close. So it's okay if the first coat isn't perfect. Okay, so that's how that works for now. Now I'll just take care of this, some detailing in the morpher. There's nice and detailing in there. So that's how that's going. Alright, so now I'll do some touch up with the second coat on the helmet, and then I'll do the comparison. Alright, here's all painted up and fixed. As you can see, that paint looks really nice. And the morpher has now as its details. And here it is with the original Bandai. Mind you, this one has been customized. And one thing I did note that the Bandai one has the morph around correct side, whereas this one's here, but that's probably due so they can just continue to use the same mold for all the other ones. Also, the weapons are on the opposite side, which I think this one has it correct, but this one's wrong. I think that's what's going on there. Now, one thing that really sold me on getting this Dino Thunder Lightning, because as you can see I had to have that one, which doesn't have any gimmicks on it, the Bandai one, was that I can do this now. I can replace that head that I had for as a makeshift with an actual Trent looking head. And so now that looks great. Just so you know, originally it was this head. I just painted up to have some resemblance. So that's great. So now when I get the other Dino Thunders, when they make those, I'll have heads for those and replacement heads for those other ones. So for me, it's kind of like I got two figures for the price of one. So that's it. Thanks for watching.